Hey, this is Tariq. Today I am talking about Microsoft Excel, which is most popular spreadsheet software in the world. In our previous tutorial, we knew that how to calculate present value interest factor. And today's tutorial, I can show you how to calculate future value interest factor. For this, we can calculate first interest future value interest rate. For this, FV, and then enter the formula. Start the bottom bracket, then insert the interest rate, then number of period 1, then minus 1 because it is the cash outflow present value, then type enter 0 because it end of the period, then close the bracket and enter. We got our future value. Then we easily make our future value interest factor 1%, then 2%, then select, then and drag as you like. Sorry. Okay. I drag it until it goes 10%. Then I also write serial, and each is the same way, and it goes until 10. And then I select the whole table, about 10 serial and 10%, and then press the data button. What if analyze, and data table, insert row for rate and column for period, and then press OK. I can got my future value interest factor. So that's all for today. Today we knew how to calculate future value interest factor. Thank you.